Having trouble with your iPhone and want to figure out how to fix it? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the new recovery mode for iPhone in iOS 27. Now let's get started. To get access to recovery mode, you'll need to have updated your iPhone to iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. To use recovery mode on iPhone, first turn off your iPhone by holding down the lock button and the volume down button on either side of your device. Then swipe the slide to power off bar at the top. Wait about 30 seconds. Then hold down the lock button on the right side to boot your iPhone back up. Continue holding the button after the Apple logo appears. Wait for the screen to say Loading Recovery Options. Then release the lock button. The recovery mode screen will then load. Recovery mode provides a few options to help you figure out any issues with your iPhone and restore it if you're having trouble getting it to start up. Recovery Assistant will try to resolve any software issues your iPhone may have. If your iPhone isn't updated to the newest software, you'll see a software update option here. This one will install the latest software available for your iPhone and solve any bugs specific to the version of iOS you were previously using. If you think your iPhone may have hardware issues, try Diagnostics mode. This can help to identify issues with your hardware so you know what needs to be fixed, but it won't be able to actually fix the hardware issues for you. If you just want to restart your iPhone, tap the power button in the top right corner, then select Restart. There are two more options in recovery mode that are a little more involved. There's the regular recovery mode that requires connecting your iPhone to a computer to restore it, as well as the option to erase all content and settings, which will completely factory reset your device. We'd only recommend using the erase option if you're okay with starting fresh, or have a saved backup that you can restore later. Otherwise, you'll lose all your data when doing this. Hopefully, by using these options, you'll be able to identify and fix any issues with your iPhone and restore your device to working order. That wraps up our overview of iPhone recovery mode in iOS 27. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.